We talking about followers. If you're a basketball fan or an Allen Iverson fan, you'll get that on the way home. Followers don't teach you, coaches do. You got an ACE Innovator certified coach who's been where you are. You got an Adobe Express starter kit. You learn how to get started designing with 3 simple tools in Adobe Express. You learn how to turn your templates into professional designs. And you join the community of designers that support you. And if you're ready for this type of coaching, comment free below and I'll show you how to get started. Until next time, remember, confidence creates consistency, consistency creates opportunities, and opportunities turn designs into dollars.